Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I'm going to discuss about the Bank of America stocks. Okay. Now is Sunday, I think. Sunday in the 6th July 2025. Okay, the Bank of America Corp, the stocks, the graph is like this in 5 years and the maximum is like this. Okay. Bank of America. Okay, the history of the dividends is wait. Yeah, if you check the stock always pays dividends since 2015 and still loading until from 2010. Yeah, loading again. Yeah, I never misses any single dividend payment, I think. And the 2025 in 2025 it has paid about two times 0.26 US dollar. Okay, the yield about 2%. Okay, here's the financial statement, financial report for the quarter 1 2025. The equity is 2039 billion in 2022 and 251, 265 and 275 billion dollar. The debt is about 3 trillion US dollar. So DER, debt to equity ratio is about 1000%. It's normal for bank to have the ER like this. Okay. The cash is about 174 billion dollar. Okay. The outstanding shares about 7 billion shares. The book value is about $37. The price now is about 48.93. 893. So the book value PBV is about 1.31. Okay. The net income 7 billion dollar, $8 billion, $6 billion, and now $7.4 billion. Okay. And then the EPS is now 1.01 US dollar. Okay, the fourth quarter is 3.21, and this year probably it will have 4 US dollar at the end of this December. Okay. The dividends is 0.96, 0.92, and $1. And now it already paid for wait, 0.52 US dollar. Yeah. Yeah, the yield just 1%. Okay. So I think until December, the total dividend you will get is about 1.04. Okay. That's the yield is about 2%. And the DPR is about 31%. Okay. So the fundamental price, the fair price for the stock, um, the dividend here, you multiply 30 until 40 for banking in US. Okay. So the fundamental price for this, the fair price for this stock is about uh, 30 until 30 until 40, I think. 40 US dollar. Just that. This is, I think, the fair price for the stock. And yeah, of course, this is a little bit expensive for the egg. Okay. This is a little bit expensive. Okay, guys, we until here and see you on the next video.